In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Webflow and create your very own account. Now, whether you're a seasoned web designer looking to streamline your process or a beginner taking your first steps into web design, getting set up on Webflow is a straightforward process that opens up a world of creative possibilities. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Webflow website. It's the go-to destination for powering up your design projects. Once there, you'll likely spot a friendly invitation to start your journey. Keep an eye out for a button that says either Get Started or Start Building. Click on it. This is your golden ticket to a seamless registration process that will have you crafting beautiful websites in no time. Now that you're set on this path, it's time to sling open the doors to your new Webflow account by entering your email address into the box provided. After you've typed in your details, go ahead and click the Continue button. But don't stop there. You'll need to create a secure password to protect your budding web design empire. Once you've come up with one that checks all the security boxes, click on Create Account. If all goes well, you'll be setting the foundation for your exciting web design journey. Maybe you're someone who likes to keep all your sign-ins under one virtual roof. If that's the case, Webflow offers you an alternate path to account creation by using your Google credentials. This optional step allows you to skip entering your email manually and go straight to using your existing Google account for a quick and connected experience. This option can save you time and keep things organized in one place. Almost there. The next step involves providing a bit of information about yourself through a setup questionnaire. Don't worry, this is mostly about Webflow getting to know you better and offering you a personalized experience. Feel free to answer the questions as accurately as possible. This is your chance to shape how Webflow will assist you, whether you're focusing on freelance projects, looking to boost your skills, or just exploring your creative potential. Once you've completed the questionnaire, click Finish. And there you have it. You're now a registered user on Webflow. By following these simple steps, you've opened the door to a powerful tool that can bring your design ideas to life, cater to your learning needs, and inspire your professional journey. Enjoy crafting with Webflow, and remember, every big idea starts with just a simple step. Happy designing!